Welcome to my review of this rather neat 3-port HDMI switch. Let me apologise at this stage for the fact that I managed to corrupt my unboxing video. I know they're not terribly exciting, but I haven't got one. But I have got some other bits and pieces of clip and some installation for you. So here are the instructions. This is actually an intelligent device, so depending on what you've got plugged into it, it should automatically switch to the port of the HDMI output device that's currently turned on. But not all of the HDMI devices trigger automatic things correctly, and that's not the fault of the switching unit, that's the fault of the devices plugged in. I'm pretty sure our UView boxes, for example, don't trigger these things, so if you've got a UView box plugged in, it won't unselect the UView box when you turn something else on. But I suspect the Android TV box and the little casting stick that I'm also going to plug in here probably will work automatically. We'll find out in a little while. Excuse the slight chaos in here. We're in the middle of refitting our kitchen, so we've got lots of extra stuff in the living room. So here is the HDMI output, and I'm just going to see if I can identify which is the lead that I want to plug it into. It's this one here. Right, so this can be unplugged. That's our UView box lead. As you can see, it was a bit awkward for me to find the right place to plug that in, which is one of the reasons why I wanted one of these, so that when we're changing device we don't have to keep changing lead. So here is the UView box lead. I'm going to plug that into port 1, and then into the middle port I want to plug this device. Will it fit? No, I'm going to have to use a lead with this because these things are too close together, but just for the moment I'll plug it into that one. So I've got those two devices plugged in. This one needs USB to turn it on and off, or to power it, so I can put the USB in there and it's powered up, and I can turn it off from down here, which is fine. So there is the television, and at the moment I have got my mobile phone screen echoed onto the television using that little casting stick thing. All I need to do is to well, let's see if it works automatically first, shall we? Let's try turning the casting stick off, and it switches automatically back to the UView box. And there we are. Not quite sure what will happen if I try turning this back on again. It's switched back to the casting stick. Now I'm not quite sure what the casting stick's going to show me because I don't know whether it's still paired to my phone. There you are, it does work automatically, and I can also just press the button to switch manually. Simple as. So there is the device and its pigtail lying out on the table, all ready for me to start playing with it, and the instructions of course. And there is the device. You can see the 3 ports on the front of it there, just well spaced out to plug leads into. And here is the far end of the pigtail with again a standard HDMI plug on it. There's a little dimple on it there that I think helps it grip, I'm not sure. And finally here it is in position. It hangs down from our TV, it's sort of in mid-air so we can see which channel selected, and I've just got 2 devices on it at the moment.